What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and today we're going to taste test an MRE. This one is pretty rare. So this is a Russian Federal Protective Services MRE. So those guys pretty much protect up to President of Russia, and this is what they eat, I guess. Let's open it up and see what it's all about. Boom. Clear box like this. Adapton. Концентрат сухой натурального напитка. So it's mixing it with water and it's like a drink. Probably like a sugary drink. Напиток молочный сухой. So this is like a dried milk, something like that. Look at these sugar bags. This is the biggest sugar bags you can find out there, that's for sure. Шпик соленый. I'm not really sure how to translate it in English. We'll see. Соль, кофе. Майский чай, tea. Oh, what is this? Салфетка. This is napkins. Картофель. So this potatoes. Говядина, beef. Фарш свиной сосисочный. So this is pork. Икра кабачковая. Not really sure how to translate it, but there is a thing like that in English too. Oh nice, there's a little stove with 3 dry fill tablets. Puree is яблок, so it's apple jam. Спички, matches. This is stormproof matches. This is definitely a little bit different compared to Russian MRE. Pepper, перец. Каша гречневая с говядиной, so it's grits with beef. And there's a bunch of crackers, same ones that is Russian MRE has. Ooh, повидло яблочное, apple jam, and фруктовая палочка, fruit bar. Deals, so this is some kind of gum. And we got here chocolate, офицерский, so officer chocolate. And there's a little bit of napkins, very nice, and 2 spoons. And 3 spoons actually. As usual, we have to heat everything up, but it's kind of hot out here. I'm going to make a drink first. So every MRE has this kind of mixed drink type of deal. Okay, add water. I got here a couple spoons. Very nice. This is our stove. Flip it like this, and the legs is down here. And this is how we're gonna heat our food up. I'm gonna get a rag so that way we don't melt the table. Okay, let's see if the matches still work. Look at this crazy matches. There you go. We got it going, I think. This is kartoshka. Let's open it up. What kind of potatoes is this? Is this mashed potatoes? No, this is potatoes with meat. Ooh, very nice. Looks like with beef. So we're gonna set it right here and warm it up. And this is говядина. This is straight up meat. Check this out. Ooh, yeah. Let me pull this out. There you go. There's chunks of meat like that. This is awesome. Can't wait to eat that. Каша гречневая с говядиной. So this is like grits with beef out there. I'm gonna stir it up a little bit so that way whenever we heat it up it's not going to burn. Anyways, this is špik. It looks like some kind of fish. This is spread pork, like a sausage. Man, this is really hard to open. There you go. This is apple like sauce or jam, whatever you want to call it. And this is some kind of milk. Oh no, what a mess. I think I'm supposed to mix it with hot water, but let's try to do it with cold water, see what happens. Let's see if it's going to even mix in the cold water. Actually, it is mixing. Awesome. In hot water, it just mixes a little bit faster. Check this out. Russian MRE loves milk. I honestly love milk. And this is dried milk, and you add water and it turns into milk. Pretty awesome. Okay, let's taste test all this Russian Protective Services food. We got here shpik. Yeah, that looks like fish. Honestly, whatever that is, I don't like it. Tastes like straight up fat. They said here pork. I love pork. This is like pork spread. You can eat it with the cookie. I mean, cracker. Let me give it another chance of this big stuff. That stuff straight up tastes like fat. I don't like it. I never had that before, that's why I was confused to see what it is. Okay, let's start to do the potato with beef. That's gotta be good stuff. Oh yeah. It's kind of cool that this potatoes cut like French fries. French fries in a can. This is good stuff for sure. Thumbs up for me. But you know what's even better? Potatoes is good and all, but meat by itself is the best. Ooh, this is hot. I don't get a chunk of beef right here. There you go. Really fatty. So good. Говядина. And if you eat this cold, it's pretty much like холодец. Okay, let's start this drink. It's sweet, but it's just some kind of fruit flavor. I want to say apple, but not really. It's really close to it though. Okay, and this is right here, каша гречневая with beef. Not that much beef in there, small pieces, but this is good. I love гречка. There you go, there's pieces of meat. Oh yeah. Wow, really good. Каша гречневая, such a unique taste and flavor to it. It almost has this bitter flavor. I love it. For the most part, honestly, this is very close to the regular Russian MRE. It's just a little bit different. I am so glad they have the jam. Got the cracker. Look at that jam. This is apple flavor jam. The Russian jam is just one of a kind in the world. I love it. It just tastes like candy. Wow, look at that. It's like jelly. Okay, food bar. There you go. Check this out. Pretty much every Russian MRE has that food bar. Tastes healthy. Tastes like bunch of foods. Tastes on a little bit of a sour side. And now the last one. I got here milk and chocolate. Офицерский. There you go. Wow, look at that. Russian chocolate. Oh yeah. Chocolate and milk. I love it. Do you guys like chocolate and milk together? Is it weird? That's a good stuff. Even though it was like a powder milk that you have to mix it with water, it tastes like regular milk. Drunk it all, tastes delicious. Oh yeah, there is a gum. Let's take a couple. Yeah, this is gum. Looks like yellow. You know, it has this super weird fruit on it, and I had that in Bora Bora. It is actually very good. It tastes sweet with this very unique exotic fruit flavor. Oh yeah, one more thing we forgot. Apple puree. So, like apple jam, but very different. As you can see, look at this consistency. Very different. Yep, this thing is a lot on the sour side, big times. I'm very full and happy. Let me know in comments below what do you think about this MRE. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.